Hello, 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 good people. Tonight, we are going to make some eggplant parmesan. It's going to be so yummy and easy to make. We actually have 3-station breading station, okay? And that's going to be our flour, our panko, and I also have egg substitute. And what I'm using for my egg substitute is actually just eggs. So I literally just poured it into a flat bowl. Let me tell you what I'm gonna season these with, okay? I have oregano, salt, smoked paprika, garlic, and I have onion powder, okay? Just making sure that you are seasoning very well, that you're coating the eggplant very well. And when you're breading, you want to actually let your, whatever you're breading, your ingredients actually sit for about a few minutes. How do we get the cheese? So we're just going to melt the cheese in the pan, and then we're going to start layering and put everything over top of it. Just some salt, some pepper, some parsley, and we have ourselves quick and easy eggplant parmesan.